Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by enabling the single required system service, GPS in high accuracy mode. This gives precise coordinates. Once done, open your device app permissions and set Mobile Legends to access location only while the app is active to reduce background leaks. Next, make sure the game is updated. Updates often include location API fixes. Finally, restart the device to clear stale caches so the game reads fresh location data. Doing these primes the app for the only effective method to use location services. You now enter Mobile Legends and go straight to Settings, then Network and Privacy. Once there, toggle the in-game location or GPS option on so the game requests system coordinates. If an app prompt appears, choose Allow while using App to keep the permission scoped. Make sure you close overlays like screen recorders that can block prompts. Also verify no VPN or mock location app is active, because those will prevent legitimate location fixes and break matchmaking and region services. You finish by testing. Join a lobby or match that displays region data to confirm location is active. If the game still doesn't read your location, toggle GPS off then on, wait 10 seconds, and relaunch Mobile Legends. This forces a fresh location handshake. If problems persist, uninstall or disable any mock location apps and clear the game cache from system settings. Those commonly block real GPS. Key troubleshooting tip: if location remains wrong, reboot the phone and recheck permission scope before contacting support.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.